Hello, my name is Alex from Oracle CG Studio, and today I'm going to make short overview of the add-on called AST Render Tool. Sometimes it happens that you need to re-render some frames from your animations, and to do it in Blender you need to manually pick these frame ranges or frames from your sequence, and it takes a lot of time. So here it makes it really easy. All you need to do is just to type these frames that you need here, using ranges or commas, like these. You can use separate numbers like these, for example, and maybe bigger range. And then all what you need to do is just to click render frames. When this will start rendering, it will be saving files in your output folder like shown here. It also shows you current status. So currently we need to render 12 frames. It shows progress bar like this, status. To skip rendering, all you need to do is just to click cancel. It also have some stats. So you can see here how much time was spent for last frame, what is your remaining time for rendering, in my case it's 1 minute. Also, in case if it will be a huge animation, very long animation, it may take few hours maybe. For example, here we can click cancel, use entire frame timeline, and in this case it will take all this timeline for rendering. Let's click render frames and see what's going on here. So now we see that remaining time is 2 hours. This is start time and end time. So you can plan your time and you can be free for next 2 hours in case of this, something like that. So yeah, thank you for watching and take care.